The Venus Factor is a unique weight loss program designed for women according to their specific needs. The program requires 12 weeks for its completion and brings your body in the right shape. It helps to rebalance body hormones that control metabolism and weight gain. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The system focuses on Venus Factor diet that takes a variety of factors into consideration. The height, age, weight, body type and fitness level are the factors that determine nutritional needs of women. The Venus Factor program creates a custom diet plan for each woman based on her specific needs. The guidelines provided in the Venus Factor will help you choose the right type of foods for each meal. It provides you information about type of foods, intake timing and calories that will bring the right change. Most importantly, the Venus Factor system will focus on leptin, a key hormone that controls female metabolism. It is leptin, whose right balance will ensure that you keep burning fat. The Venus Factor ensures to eliminate leptin resistance, so that you can use full burn fat potential of your body. Apart from the diet perspective, the Venus Factor also includes a detailed exercise program designed for women's body. All the exercises can be performed at home and you do not need to join the gym to carry them out. After buying the Venus Factor, the program offers a membership and access to log into exclusive Venus Factor community. This community will offer all the help and support that a participant requires during her weight loss journey. In the exclusive access to forum, blog and community, etc., you will get to know all the weight loss tips, research and development by John Barbin for rapid weight loss. The Venus Factor system works in different phases. The creator of the Venus Factor highlighted a major flaw that causes the women to gain extra weight. The leptin hormone is the major factor that causes the body to become overweight. It is leptin, which controls the amount of fat stored in the female body. If you are able to control leptin and its sensitivity in blood, you can definitely lose weight by burning fat. As women get older, their bodies become chubbier after having children and they lose their leptin sensitivity. To put it in different words, their bodies become more resistant to leptin naturally. This leads towards fat storage instead of burning it. The Venus Factor system is specifically designed for women. It completely works on a different approach and thus unique from other popular weight loss programs. The Venus Factor works to decrease the resistance of female body towards leptin, and, thus it can help to accelerate weight loss naturally. Click the link in the description below this video for details.